You are about to listen to Historical Reflections of Physics, from Archimedes, Einstein till present, written by Santo Armenia, narrated by Ian A. Miller. Preface by Carmelo Vindigni. For this fourth book, which you as well present as "This is the fourth work of a tetralogy, right now demanded, which gives birth to the pursuit of the truth," you asked me to be the author of the preface once again. It is with renewed strength and pride that I pursue the task you gave me. Esculting your shell, Odysseus, you embarked on your historical adventure to knowledge. You observed and saw that despite the progress, as a matter of fact, the mistake made by Archimedes, by Stephen, and by Galileo, due to the lack of instinctive understanding, has been afterwards kept and exacerbated by others: Newton, Lagrange, Einstein, and the scientific community. From your ceaseless rowing and digging, culminating in your new salt march, may a new scientific confrontation begin, and lead to the path of knowledge, ultimately transcending the millennial mistake of considering the weight of the bodies unalterable. You have already announced your fifth work focused on new fronts, and, not satisfied with sailing and digging, now you desire to fly too. May Daedalus and Prometheus be your companions. Author's presentation. This is the fourth work of a tetralogy, right now demanded, which gives birth to the pursuit of the truth. The first work is Galileo and Einstein, Reflections on the General Relativity Theory, the Freefall of Bodies, the Shape of Solid Bodies. The second work is Archimedes, Reflections on Buoyant Bodies, the Shape of Solid Bodies. The third work is Archimedes, Galileo, Newton, Einstein, the Shape of Solid Bodies, the Shape of Fluid-Filled Containers. Unveiling Epiphany. The experiments thus present are to be watched on YouTube, Armenia Santo, or through the website www.armeniasanto.it. Introduction. Since the dawn of time, philosophers considered the weight of bodies unalterable. Euclid based his geometry on the fundamental entities, point, line, and plane, and on postulates. One above all. Between 2 points passes one, and only one straight line. Geometry is a human construction, non-existing in the natural world. Archimedes developed his studies in two fields: 1, geometry, and 2, nature. The geometry field includes the evaluation of the perimeter of flat shapes, the evaluation of the surface of flat shapes, the evaluation of the volume of solid shapes, the assessment of the barycenter of flat and solid shapes, etc. The natural field includes the balance of bodies, the study of the buoyancy phenomenon, etc. Archimedes, confident of the sufficient reason principle, or due to a spontaneous knowledge, developed his studies on nature, basing it on postulates. Modern and contemporary physics, classical, relativistic, and quantum, from Galileo till present, despite the definition of being experimental, are still built on postulates based on which theory after theory is constructed. In this study, the millennial mistake will be underlined, an error derived from the postulate of considering the weight of bodies unalterable, even though it was outdated by Newton's universal law of gravity, based on
Sample complete. Ready to continue?